little bitch. There's a lot of snow, man. You think the snow almost get halfway to the fence? How do people live in situations like this, man? This is insane.